Hey guys, I hope you're doing fine wherever you are. In this video, I'm going to quickly share with you the latest opportunity in Appen, guys. As you may already know, Appen is only growing big, guys. They have bought Leapforce in 2017 and now they've started Appen China, which means for somebody like you or me, it's another opportunity to work on their project because they always have projects, and since they are just expanding their limit, it means that more opportunities are available. And I have received this invitation 11 hours ago, guys, which means they are recruiting right now, and they are a simple project, labeling project, guys. As you can see here, in this project you will be given speech fragment and categorize whether it is effective or not according to the guidelines. It's a great project, guys, and they pay $15 per hour just laboring, guys. This is something that anyone can do. Here on project details, they say that they want somebody with strong English, spoken and written fluency should be native or bilingual, a strong reading comprehension skills in English. But do not be afraid to apply for these opportunities, guys. I've also been working on this project, and if you're a native English speaker, I know you can easily hear that I'm not good in English as well. I'm still learning, but as you can see, I've been working on this project since 2017, guys, and you see that they do pay me a little dollars each and every month, and I've done well. I have only decided to stop working on these kinds of projects simply because I wanted to concentrate on my own business, guys. But you can see that they're still sending me invitations, which means they like the way I was working on their project. And still you can hear that my English is not good, it's not that good. I'm still learning, so don't be afraid to apply. These are brand new positions. They're recruiting right now. As I showed you guys, I have received this invitation 11 hours ago. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply. I'm going to give you some useful information about this Appen China, how you're going to apply and all that. So stay tuned for more details. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. My name is Armstrong Will. I'm a knowledge entrepreneur, and I do create content on different ways to work from home, and I've been working from home since 2017. So I highly recommend you, after watching this video, to go to the first link in the video description below to see exactly what I recommend, my number one recommendation to work from home, what I've been doing to be able to work from home and earn a full-time income. So if you're not my subscriber already, be sure to join my YouTube family by subscribing and by enabling the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever a brand new opportunity is out. Without further ado, let's jump into the video right now. Before I go ahead and show you how to apply the right way, let's go through this invitation together. This is a new branch of Appen China or Appen 9 project. So they sent this invitation because they are actually recruiting people to work on this new project, guys. And if it's your first time to apply on Appen jobs, you'll need to create an Appen Connect account first, okay? You'll need to create a profile. I'm going to show you that later. You see that here they say to accept this project invitation, please opt in to Appen China platform using your Appen Connect password and complete the document. Which means if you don't have an Appen Connect, you will need to complete your profile. You need to build your profile on Appen, which won't take you a long time, and then have your own profile on Appen Connect. Appen Connect is central of all the Appen jobs. They are listed there. So once you have that profile on Appen Connect, that's when you'll be able to join this Appen China using your Appen Connect account. Once signed, you'll be asked to register and create an account on Appen 9 platform, which looks like this one, guys. This is Appen China. You see that I've logged in because I already have an Appen Connect. After creating your Appen Connect, you'll log into this Appen China, and you will be able to see this available position. And this is a good project, guys, because in Appen, mostly projects don't last for long. They just last between 6 to 12 months. But for this one, you see that they say a project duration would last 1 to 2 years, which means it will last for long compared to other Appen project that I have been working for. Once you have registered and applied in the project on Appen 9, please wait for the project manager to process your application. After applying, don't rush the process, guys. Once you've done everything good, be sure to wait for the project manager to send you more instructions. They usually respond between 2 to 3 business days, so you'll need to be patient after applying. The project manager will reach out to you for the qualification instruction, which means you'll need to check your email box regularly during this application, because if you stay for a long time without responding to their emails, they will think that you won't even be able to work effectively on their project. And this is what you'll be doing in the project. In this project, you'll be given speech a fragment and categorize whether it is effective or not according to the guidelines. They'll give you guidelines, guys, and then you go through the guidelines, you study them, you understand what they want you to do. And after understanding the guidelines, you'll be categorizing information, data that they'll be giving to you, guys. It's very simple. As you can see here, they say that it's labeling a job. So if you don't have a profile in Appen Connect, you're going to need to go to appen.com. Just go to Google and type appen.com. Once you're here on their main page here, guys, just go to jobs here. Just click here on jobs. You see that they have long-term project and part-time jobs. They also have micro tasks like Amazon, and also they have a service and data collection. But for now, you are interested in a long-term project, you just click here on apply here on project. And once you're here, you see that they give us all the details about their opportunities. You see here are examples of some of the opportunities that may be available. Search media evaluation, work with the world's top search engine companies. A social media evaluation, help improve social media around the globe. Like these kinds of jobs are very easy. I've been working on them as well. They're very easy. Even this one, search media evaluation, they give you data, you just classify them according to the guidelines they give you. They're very easy. And also you need to be coming to their job listings to see if they have this social media evaluation and search media evaluation. They are very easy among all these ones here. Okay, and also the position that we're applying on right now fall into this category as well. It's very simple to do. And they also have translation jobs, transcription, survey and data collection, linguistic specialties, speech evaluation, and more. So once you're here, just select your country here. Okay, just select your country and then click here on become an agent. Once you click here on become an agent, they're going to give you a file that you're going to complete. Once you here, choose a country, guys. Just choose a country, and then you'll be here on this page where you're required to just complete your simple information about you. You see, what is your primary language? You just say your primary language. What is your dialect? You just complete everything. You go to next. These are simple information that you will need to complete. I'm not going through all of these because I already have a profile in Appen Connect. But once you're done, you'll have a profile in Appen Connect, guys. And also remember, while completing this, they'll give you a chance to upload your CV. Okay, be sure to write down a CV. I actually gave out a CV sample for those of you who don't know or who have no idea on how you can write a CV about these kinds of jobs. I have shared the CV in this video here. If you want to get that CV, you can just go to this video here. You will see, you get the CV. Okay, just go to my channel and go to this video here. See, earn $14 per hour from Appen worldwide. I have given more instructions about Appen. And also, if you go to the video description of this video, you're going to get a CV sample, and maybe you can have an idea. You can have a full picture of how you can create your own CV that you can use to apply on this job, guys. Once you upload the CV, that will be all. You'll be able to log into the Appen Connect. That will look like this, guys. So once you're here, you just log into Appen Connect, and once you're here, go to all projects. Okay, and then click on all project here, not here but here. That's when you're going to see all the available projects. Okay, all of these are available projects, but remember you'll need to go to Appen China platform. Okay, you'll go to Appen China platform and you will use your Appen Connect password to log in and create an account there, follow the instructions, and you will be able to see this project here. Okay, be sure to follow the instructions, guys. Once you're in Appen Connect, you won't see this actual project, but you will need to go to Appen China platform, and you're going to use the Appen Connect password to complete the documents. You will use this password and you will find yourself into the Appen China platform, and you'll be able to apply for the opportunity. That's how you're going to do it, guys.